And in this video, I will show you the best iPhone screen recorder. You'll see, you really won't be disappointed, so don't hesitate to like the video and subscribe. Here we go. I really searched everywhere and tested dozens of screen recorder software. And frankly, the one that wins hands down, which is the best of all, is Screen Studio. This is the software that I personally use to make all my videos on my YouTube channel. So this Screen Studio software will allow you to record both the screen of your Mac, but also the screen of your iPhone and your iPad. And honestly, it is one of the best software to record your iPhone screen. Typically, so you can see here me who made a recording from my iPhone, with the camera also activated. So you just have to take your iPhone, take the charging cable, you will be able to plug it directly into your Mac, and then you will be able to record the screen of your iPhone and at the same time record your reactions on video with the webcam of your Mac or a camera that will have also been connected to your Mac. So as you can see, this is what I did here directly. So you can see I was showing my iPhone screen while filming my reactions. So this really gives tutorials where you can record your iPhone which are really top quality. In addition, you can even resize it, for example, if you want to make vertical videos or horizontal videos. So that's very practical because you can publish in all formats on all the platforms you want, and then you can customize the background of the video. You can even directly choose the iPhone model that you want to display in your final video. You can show the camera or not, you can choose its location, choose its size, if you want to make it a little rounder or not. So there is really a lot of customization that is possible. It can also generate subtitles automatically using artificial intelligence that will be automatically synchronized with your video. And then to export your video, you simply have to click on export at the top. You can choose the quality up to 4K. You can choose the frame rate if you want 60 FPS or not, to have videos that are very fluid. And then, depending on where you post, you can choose the quality you want to compress your video. Really, I have searched a lot of software to record my iPhone screen, and Screen Studio is really one of the best. It's even the one I use for all my YouTube videos when I have to show something on my iPhone. So to access Screen Studio, you have the link just under the video in the description or directly in the first pinned comment. You just have to click on it. You will be automatically redirected to the Screen Studio website. You can start a free trial to test out Screen Studio's features, whether you like them or not. And if you are convinced, you can buy Screen Studio directly, knowing that it is a one-time purchase. So you just buy it once and you'll have unlimited access to Screen Studio for life. I am really very satisfied. If you ever have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me in the comments. It was Gunmi Ciao.